Hey folks, today I want to talk to you about starches and why they are the worst thing you can eat. Starches are rice, pasta, flour, whole wheat, doesn't matter what it is, anything that is a starch is the worst thing you can consume. When you consume it, it's like glue. It sticks to your colon, your GI tract, it suffocates cells. It's the absolute worst thing you can do. And the worst part is that when it's digested, it leaves an acid ash byproduct. And this makes the body highly acidic. The body cannot take too much acid without there being a problem with the lymphatic system and kidneys. You need to eat fruits only, predominantly, and raw vegetables. But if you're healing or detoxing, fruits and only fruits should be consumed because fruits are stringent. They are high magnetic, they're high energy. They will fuel the cells and they will scrub and clean the GI tract and your body as a whole. And they get the lymphatic system moving, which means that your kidneys can eventually begin to filter properly. Stay away from starches of any kind, especially cooked starches. They're the absolute worst for you. Okay? You want to focus on only fruits. Raw, organic fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner will do you justice. Starches will harm you and poison you slowly but surely. They are mucus forming, they are harmful, and they do not make you feel good. You know it. When you eat starchy foods, you feel bloated, heavy. When you eat fruits, you feel light, strong, and perfect. So I hope this helped you. I hope this points you